Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Mathania, and on this channel I focus on everything self-care. So if you are interested in how I got these cornrows, stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. In order to obtain this style, I am going to be using one pack of the 3X expression hair in the color 1B. These are 58 inches. I already have the other side of the pack open here, and then I'm also going to be using a rat tail comb as well as the Shine and Jam. I always order all of my hair products off of Amazon, so I'll go ahead and link everything down below for you. Also, in order to achieve this style, I will be using a braid rack, and I will link one of these down below for you guys too. My aim is to do at least 8 braids or so, 4 on this side, 4 on this side. So let's go ahead and let's just start separating the hair. I do plan on doing the feed-in method. I am going to start out with a piece about half this size. So a piece like this big, and then as I go, I'm going to incrementally increase the size of the pieces that I'm going to use. This braid rack has 6 strands of hair in it that I can use, and I think I'm going to stick to that number so that I can do 6 pieces and I can pull out all of my braids all in one stop and continue from there. Okay. This is piece number 2. It's about this thick. Each piece is going to get thicker and thicker as I go. Piece number 3, a little bit thicker than the last. Piece number 4. Piece number 4. I'm gonna add a little bit to piece number 3. All right, that feels like it's a good size, but I'm going to repeat that 7 more times because I plan on doing exactly 8 braids. Okay, all that I did was use some conditioner on the base of my hair because my hair is pretty dry. The first piece, and I just did this to it. And then from here, I'm just going to start braiding. And then from here, after I did like my first or 2, I'm going to slide the hair underneath my index finger. 1, 2, and do this as tightly as I can. And then from there, I'll every time I do 1 or 2 braids, I'm going to insert the hair the exact same way every single time. Take the weave, right? You see the loop is going underneath my index finger because that's my control finger, and it should naturally just feed right on in. One, 2. Make sure that you're keeping the back end hair clutter free as possible. This is what it's looking like so far, right? Now, my braids I don't want them too thick. And now we're going in with piece number 3. Adding hair in the exact same way. Make sure it's neat. If you have to roll your finger like this a few times, do that. This is a great hairstyle for the gym, you guys. Index underneath, right? Make sure it's even in length all throughout. And what we're trying to do is just prevent that, okay? We're gonna go straight back. And we're just gonna keep adding all of our pieces in. We're on piece number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just going to braids back. 2. All right, and then I'm going for my last piece, my second to last piece, y'all. Sorry. Keep in mind, we're adding hair underneath the index finger each time. Secure your braid. I like to add my last piece before I get to my nape, because then I feel like when I add hair down here, it gets weird. Don't nobody got time for that. So once again, my last piece, my index finger, that's what controls and secures the hair in place. To help with slippage too, put some more jam, keep the jam on your finger as straight as you can, and then you're going to have to use your imagination as far as the other braids. Opinion on this. So if you're new to my channel, I have been on YouTube for quite some time doing hair, and I just decided that I was going to switch it up with my last channel because I don't know what was going on. Maybe it's because I had that channel too long and the algorithm just was like, yeah, no, you're not serious. Even though I was uploading regularly, my videos were just not getting pushed. Not like my videos are on this channel. But something that I used to do on my channel is giveaways, but I don't want to come on here and be like, oh, subscribe to my channel for a giveaway, because I actually want to build an authentic audience who actually wants to be here. Do you think that it would be weird if early on I started doing giveaways again, or when you guys subscribe, if you're not really into the content, you're not going to subscribe just for a giveaway? Comment down below, let me know what you think. So I just want public opinion, or I think I'm starting to overthink it a little bit. Okay, we have 2 braids in now, and I'm going for my 3rd. You're always thinking, whenever you're doing these braids, you always have to be thinking about symmetry. Some people do have different techniques where they pre-measure everything out. Girl, I've always been a luck and prayer type of girl. So that's where we're at.